Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Tushar Prajapati. In our Windows Server 2016 series, lastly we have seen the practical of home folders. So you can access the home folder on your client side with the help of server. So you can save your data. Right now we are going for another practicals. It's also somewhat related to the home folder. And so to do we have to install first the check the firstly we check the we have created the home folder last practical, and which and also we have shared that folder. Okay, and then now we can see, so we have also put the some data on it, but now this practical is how much data how we can put on that drive. So we have to provide the limit based on our users. So to do this we have to perform some practicals. The practical name is file server resource management, file FSRM. So to do that we have to install FSRM rules. So click on manage and click on add roles and features. Now click on next. Click on so this is our server name because of sys1.tush.com and our IP address is 10.001. Click on next. Now expand the file and storage services. Expand file and iSCSI services. Okay, now click on file server and resource manager. Click on next. Next and click and start the installation. When it starts the installation, then it will automatically restart the system, because we have click on that checkbox for restart, automatically restart. So it takes some time to restart the process. Friends, now we can see the roles has been installed. So click on the file server and resource manager. It takes some time because the role is recently installed. Now there are so three practicals we can do in this, like quota management, file screening management and storage reports. These are the three major practicals, but today practical we can see the quota management. So in quota management, go to quota management, then click on the quotas and right click it, there are some issues, so we have to restart the system first, because we haven't restarted till the system after installation also. We have to restart. Hi friends, after the restarting system, we can see the right click and create the quota. Now we can give the path to which folder that we have to give on this access. So this home folder. Now click on the auto apply template create, so it will assign rights to automatically to the subfolders. Create the quota. So right now we have given the 100 MB limit. Okay, now we can check the client side our setup. Hi friends, now we have login with our Windows client operating system Windows 10 with test1 user. Okay, you can see the virtual machine of Windows 10. Now we have to check our home folders which have created in previous practical. Now this PC, so this is our home folder. Before that the size was 3.48 GB, but after performing the quota practical in the FSRM, the size is, you can see the 100 MB limit that we have given in the quota practical. So you can check the data copy paste on this folder. So right now we have not any particular data, but we can do, suppose this is a Windows file, our suppose boot file is 36 MB. So trying to copy paste here, you can see it's a 36 MB, so it's automatically copy paste have been done here. But right now we are trying with another folder which exceeds the limit, like we can found any another folder on, suppose this is the assembly, it's 370 MB. We can go inside this folder, suppose this is 110 10 MB. Okay, so first we can delete the boot folder and go to another and Windows on assembly, and click on select the first 4 folders. You can see the total size is 110 MB and we have given the size 100 MB. So let's try for first 3 folder, how many size for first 10. It's just only 6 MB. How many size for these two? It's 364. So so 103. Okay. So we can just take only this folder. because how much data that we can carry, it takes more time to copy paste. You can see 3.77 MB needed because we have given the 100 MB permission, so there is not enough space on this folder, okay, to perform the practicals, but it copies approximately 97 MB 100 MB data here. So by using this practical we can give the rights to the our home folder by using the quota practicals. So if you guys like the video, then do subscribe my YouTube channel Tushar Prajapati and press the bell icon for notification for the next video. Thanks for the today.